Hey everyone, so in this video we are solve one of the most important question on the company of Google interview question. So the question is that you have to some problem is common interview question. Okay, so it is a variation of the subset sum problem. There is a dynamic problem solving from the subset sum problem, but for the two subset problem we actually write an algorithm to run on time complexity. So the challenge is that find all the pairs of two strings in an unsorted array that sum up to a given s. So I think you don't understand what is the actual question. Question is that you have one array, okay, 3 5 2 minus 4 8 11, and you have to find the sum of 7 in subset. How many sets are there for, if you plus, like there is an example, 2 plus 5 is 7, 11 minus 4 is 7, 11 plus minus 4, plus minus minus, and plus is 7. So you have to find the sets of additions. Okay, so I think you understand the question. Just go to your source file and create one Java class to some subset program. So first of all you needed one number, means some number. Okay, so just create your main method and take one sum equal to 7, and then you have to make one array. So int ar, and random numbers you get 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So there is 8. So there are random numbers. Now you want one list, list, and generic type is list, and its generic type is int, and the variable is result new array list. So in this line what we are doing, just making list data structure, because I think because this list have one most important method. I will show you. Generic type is int set. Yeah, because list have one most important thing is set. Set is what? I will show you. Just scroll down, and here we are. Set. It's very long, deep. Where is set, yaar? One minute, guys. Where is set, yaar? Okay, I think this. findings. Okay, yeah, here we are. The set is that the insert the specified element at the specified position in this list. Optional operation: shift element currently at the position. If any subsequent element to the right, add one their index. So I hope you understand. The set have the capability to change the position and adding in the subsequence. Right now you have to make one loop I equal to 0 for regularly checking our list of array and plus plus. Now you have to initialize set with array list. We are content all the elements in set of array. Now onwards you have to make one array of sub and comparing the sum and array I. Okay, there is what? Okay, so it's fine. Right now you have to write one more array, sub array equal to arrays dot copy of range. So why we are using copy of range? Just know so the copy of specified range of the specified array into a new array. The initialized index of range must lie between 0 and the original length. So includes the value of original from is placed to initialize element of the copy from equal to original and from 2. So the value from subsequent element in the original array are placed into subsequent element in the copy. The final index of range to which greater than equal to and from may be greater than original length. In the case it's null is placed all elements copy from index and the greater equal to from minus. So the return array will be to and from. So I hope you understand. So first of all we have to find three parentheses. First is original array, then to, from, and then to array dot length. Now you have to use one condition, int stream dot of and sub dot any match, and then you have to initialize x equal to array I. So what is the working of this line is int stream. Int stream is a interface. Return stream constants of element of these stream match give a predicate. So means of predicate is the answer finding from sub to this range from the subset. Okay, now you have to initialize set dot add array I, set dot add sub, and then result dot add set, and now you have to print result. So in these three lines we are adding array, sub array, and then we are using result. Okay, so just there is a error, copy I finally, no, just run. I think I will let's see what will the answer is there. Answer is nothing. Okay, so first I will check my things. User input 7, there are 2 and 6 7, yeah. Set array I, then we are getting some buffer side effect. Okay, most of case. Sub-array, because we are copied the full array into sub-array, na? That's why we are comparing from the new array to there are most error. So I and copy of range length any match sub-array I subset. It's fine. Why it's not working? The simple okay, so the mistake is that just run from here, because my practice session is running, that's why the answer is not came. So answer is that 2 and 5 7, 3 and 4 7. So I hope you understand what was the answer and the question. The first thing is that you have to given one okay, so you have to make like this. You also use a scanner in this dot in and just print int sub dot next int dot. Now onwards, and just go to your result and plus string and print their sum. Just run once more time. First of all, I will explain more time. First we are getting one sum, because we have to find the sum of subset of in the array. So we getting one list and list generic type, because the method of set is belong to list generic type. Then we are using loop for printing all of the array, and then we are storing array list in set, then find minus for first subset, then we are copying all of the range, and then we are comparing to int input and predicate. Okay, and then we are subsetting. Okay, just print if in later time we are using 7, then I am using 5. Okay, so there is a 5. Just give. Okay, just first more time run, and this time I will give you what will I will give you 8 no 5 6 7. Okay, so I hope you understand the concept of this question. Just subscribe my